This is how I made my hair go from this to this in just one wash with Mycro Keratin. This is the shiniest and healthiest I've ever seen my hair, so let me take you through my exact routine. I started off by using the Keraxir smoothing shampoo, and this is a lightweight shampoo for vibrant, silky, soft and healthy looking hair. It's also paraben and salt free. Not to mention it smells amazing. After rinsing, I squeezed out all the excess water and went in with the Keraxir Repair mask. What I loved most about this mask was the texture. It's absolutely dreamy, and I love that it's for all hair types. I combed through my hair with this V-shaped styling comb before letting this sit for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. After getting ready and blow drying my hair, it was time to go in with the straightener. Many of you already know this, but I haven't used or owned a straightener in the last 6 years. Luckily, the Moyoko Pro Glider has multiple heat settings, so I wasn't too worried about the heat damage to my hair. I did need some help with the back of my hair, and the results really do speak for themselves. Look at this shiny, healthy glow.